The question we have is 9 raised to the power x minus 4 into bracket 3 raised to the power x plus 1 close the bracket plus 27 is equal 0. So this is an exponential equation. The first thing we do is to break down this 9 to a base of 3. So as we know that 9 is 3 raised to the power 2, we bring the x again because of the multiplication law, minus 4 into bracket 3 raised to the power x now plus 1 plus 27 is equal 0. So I'm having 3 raised to the power 2x minus 4. Now do you see that 3 raised to the power x plus 1? Now what is it? It is the same thing as saying minus 4 times 3 raised to the power x times 3 raised to the power 1. 3 raised to the power x times what? 3 raised to the power 1. So we complete plus 27 is equal 0. Now why is it 3 raised to the power x times 3 raised to the power 1? It's because of addition law in indices. As we all know that when they are the same base and you have multiplication existing between them, what do? You add their powers. So if you look up, that's what they did, right? So I'm having 3 raised to the power 2x. Now wherever you see 2x, now I can see 3 raised to the power x at the right hand. I can equally see at the left hand. So that 3 raised to the power 2x will be seen as 3 raised to the power x all squared minus 4 times 3 raised to the power x times 3 plus 27 is equal 0. Can you see it, right? So wherever you see 3 raised to the power x, you call it p. You understand? 3 raised to the power x, you call it p. Very good. Let 3 raised to the power x be what? P. So wherever I see 3 raised to the power x, I'll say that it is p. So I have the 3 raised to the power, the first one is p, the squared minus 4 times 3 raised to the power s, p times 3 plus 27 is equals what? 0. So I have p squared minus 4 times p times 3 will give us minus 12p. There plus 27 is equals what? 0. So we are having a quadratic equation. So the next thing depends on the method we are going to solve. Let's use factorization method. And the first thing we do is to multiply the first term by the last term. P squared times plus 27 is plus 27 what? P squared. So the next thing is to look for two factors that when they multiply themselves, they will give plus 27p squared. But when they add themselves, they will give what? Minus 12p. Is that correct? So that should be 9p and 3p. If you check very well, 9p and 3 what? P, because 9 times 3 is what? 27. Then p times p is p squared, right? Then they are having positive, so plus. Do you understand? But the problem now lies that 9p plus 3p is no longer the middle term that we assume to get. 9p plus 3p is actually plus 12p, but we are trying to get minus 12p. Therefore it should be minus 9p and what? Minus 3p. Minus times minus is plus. 9 times 3 is 27. P times p is what? P is p squared, I mean. Is that correct? So this minus 9p and minus 3p, we have to use it and replace the middle term. So this quadratic equation will be in the form p squared minus what? 9p minus 3p. Let's go. P squared minus 9p minus what? 3p. Therefore plus 27 is equal 0. So at this juncture, what do? We factor rise. So p squared minus 9p into bracket minus 3p plus 27. So the common factor between p squared and minus 9p is p. P squared divided by p will give us p. Minus 9p divided by p is minus 9. What's the common factor here? It should be minus 3. Minus 3p divided by minus 3 is p. Plus 27 divided by minus 3 is minus what? 9 is equals what? 0. So make sure that those in the bracket are the same. So we rate p and minus 3. So p minus 3 into bracket p minus 9 is equals what? 0. So in mathematics, if I have that a times b is equals 0, we assume that either a or b is equals 0. So in this case, I'll be having that p minus 3 is equals what? 0, or p minus 9 is equals what? 0. Because when two things multiply themselves to give 0, we assume that either of them must give what? 0. So here p is equals 3 or p is equals what? 9. That's when you collect what? Like terms. But listen, they did not ask us to find p P is a stranger here. We were looking for the value of x. Do you understand? So recall that what we said, that 3 raised to power x is equals what? P. Is that clear? 3 raised to power x is equals P. Then we have 3 raised to power x. What's the first P? 3. And that 3 can be seen as 3 raised to power 1. Or 3 raised to power x is equals, the second P is 9. And this 9 can be 3 raised to power 2. So it could be 1, 1. So x is equals 1 because they are the same base. Now for 3 raised to power x is equals 9. That is 3 raised to power x is equals 3 raised to power 2. When they are the same base again, what do you say? The answer will be what? 2. Base, the same base, so x is equals 2. So in this question, the value of x is equals what? 1. Or the value of x is equals what? 2, for that exponential equation to be very much what? Correct. Have a nice day. Like, comment, share and follow Courses Academy. Bye bye.